Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making macaroni soup in the Instant Pot Superior cooker. Alright, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot Superior cooker. I've set a zero saute and it's hot. I'm going to add in about 1.5 pounds of ground beef and 1 onion that I diced up. And I'm going to fry this till the burger is brown and the onions are soft, and I'll drain off the excess grease. Right now that my ground beef is brown and I drained off the excess grease, I added in 3 stalks of celery I sliced. I'm going to add in the equivalent of 4 cloves of garlic. And I'm using a pre-diced stuff. That's about 4 cloves. I'm going to give that a stir. Now I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of my Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. If you don't have this, a little salt and pepper, maybe a little garlic powder. Stir that in. Now we can season this more after it's done cooking. It's just to get a rough start on it. Now I'm going to put in 4 cups of beef broth. I'm going to add in a can of corn. This here is a 15-ounce can of corn I drained. And I'm going to add in a can of fire roasted diced tomatoes. This here is 14.5 ounces undrained. I have some sliced frozen carrots. It's about the easiest way to go. I'm going to add in the equivalent of 3 carrots. That's about half of the bag. This is a 12-ounce bag. Give that a stir. And guys, it's going to be a really quick and easy, delicious soup for a fall day. Normally it's supposed to be chilly outside, about 50 degrees, but today it's almost 80. I can't explain it. Now I'm going to add in about a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And I'm going to add in some elbow macaroni. I'm going to add in about 3/4 of a cup. I'm just going to eyeball this. You don't want to put too much in because it's going to drink up all of your liquid, and you won't have soup then. So if you go a little under, you're better being a little under than over. We're going to stop about there because once this expands, that'll be more than enough. Now we're still set on zero saute high. I'm going to put a lid on this. I'm going to bring this up to a boil, and I'll turn the temperature of the zero saute down a little bit to a medium boil, and we'll let it cook for about 15 minutes covered. Alright, I tasted my soup for seasoning. I added 3 more teaspoons of that McCormick's seasoning in. I turned my power up. My pasta's tender, it's done cooking. Now I'm going to add in some baby spinach. This is fresh spinach. I'm going to add in about 2 or 3 healthy handfuls, because when this wilts down, there's not going to be much of it there. I'm going to stir that in, and I'm going to allow that spinach to wilt down. I'm going to let this sit for a minute for that spinach to wilt, and then we'll go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. Some macaroni in there. Really delicious. Macaroni's tender. The broth is savory. You get a little bit of tomato in there. You get beef flavor, that seasoning I put in. The corn is still crisp. Guys, that's really easy, really delicious one-pot meal. Macaroni soup in the Instant Pot Superior cooker. Thanks for watching and supporting me, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.